I say, my brother, this is the artist from Nigeria. My friends are getting very crazy over there, eh? Very mad, eh? Motherfucker. I say, my friend, this is the man from Nigeria. My name is Adube. These are my friends, eh? They are lyrics to play very bad. Put the light on them, eh? Very mad, eh? Very crazy. When you post this, they will see the man from Nigeria and need this man to come and post something for them, eh? It's very mad, my friend. Very crazy.
Give them, family, go and see them. Brain and fly like pigeon. Man, send this to give them. And all who wanna see up them face like kitchen. Man, send this to give them. You're out big and broad, but you're bad, this stuff at your yard.
I don't know if you do it. This is my African brother, right here sitting in the music video. Now we're shooting a video for the artist, Rice Bag, and what is the next name? Crazy Kid, eh? My friend, find the light on me, yeah. I'm the man from Nigeria, my friend. This is getting very crazy. Now we have a dead, just buried, and now we are video and shoot music video. Find it at the artist. Yes, my friend.
Who busted that dead one in I'm head? That just now my bomb, so he must dead. Boy running at the war, so me playing a rocky in my face before me waist.
When you shoot video, you have to rotate.
Kick off the door, pull the door, so me gun in. Nobody now time to scream. Nobody make like a ice cream, so me give them. Call me neighbor, want see them. Brain and fly like pigeon, man, send this to give them. And all who where you follow me now, see up them face like kitchen, man, send this to give them. Your mouth big and broad, but your badness stop at your yard. Send this to give them, circle them and see them. Me have to kill a little yo, when you think so tum-tum, I saw the little long catchy cause a rat-a-tat-a-tum-tum. Drive out the car vroom-vroom, and when the brake cause a bullet cause a boom-boom. Him get fucked out and a boom-boom. When you know about killer like Ori and Tum-Tum. Cheat people in a murder them because the boyfriends are murder them.
Okay, this is a close of the video. These are the artists, fellow bodyguard, eh? It's getting crazy. Music! You need to get in the video, my friend. You're an artist. What's your name? What's your name, my friend? This is going on YouTube. Tell the world what's your name, eh? Okay. This man very sting with his whip at the back. Whoop! Okay. Okay, my friend. These are the artists of the century. Now we have video, 2 upcoming artists, eh? We have Rice Bag and Crazy Dread, eh? That's the name? Crazy K. Yeah. That's a K, okay.
Them a do what them a try.
Purchase your tracks.
Everybody die. As a bring the killer right. At least one in a face before me shots fly. One of them sharper than a rubber butterfly. Who wants bird but a go fly. Them never end you and first let's get fly. We left them flatter than a fly. Yeah, me now.
Purchase your tracks.
Vibes, man. YouTube, sister. Yeah.
Purchase your tracks.
I saw your body and go up on the wall, but try to waterfall, yeah. Jump on Capri, no one boom like a ball.
Why didn't you play for this beat?
in the light. Now see your puff, they make one a catch and fight. Then no find that they brand new tights. Stop, you know the chef's not well.
Outside.
Whoa. Whoa. Hey, Spice, love you, bud.